Have you ever felt like your phone is glued to your hand, constantly tracking your every move and dictating your daily routine? While technology has revolutionized the way we live, there's a growing trend of people choosing to disconnect from their devices and experience the world in a more natural way. Walking or running daily without tech is more than just a trend. It's a movement to reclaim our time, boost our mental and physical health, and reconnect with nature. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of ditching your fitness tracker and taking a more analog approach to exercise. First, let's talk about the benefits of walking or running without tech. Studies have shown that individuals who exercise without the influence of their devices are more likely to engage in physical activity for longer periods. A study published in the Journal of Sports Sciences found that participants who walked or ran without a wearable device were 25% more likely to exceed their daily step goals. Another benefit